eheim air pump fix. I've taken 3 screws out the bottom. It's been rattling, making a lot of noise, but I had another one and I've just solved the noise problem on that. So if we take that out, remove these rubber feet, split it apart. Now the problem on the other one was this. These arms were rattling. Oh, this one's a lot worse. The magnets come out. There's magnets on the end of the arms that operate the bellows. I don't know if you can see, but on one side the magnets come out. So the screws to remove that are in the side here, but you can't get to them, so there's 6 screws to remove that whole section. Not the screws either side of the motor, just the ones in the plastic bottom. Trouble is, with the vibration over the years, the plastic gets brittle and breaks. Still hot. Bit come out the end. Ow, motor's still hot on that one. Might want to let it cool down. Right, this is a bit where the magnets come out. Not sure how we're going to fix that though. Oh, I know. We'll take this off. That's what we're going to do, right? Oh, you can't get that off completely because of the diaphragm, can you? Right, so we've got that off with the diaphragm, and that's the problem. The magnets come out the end, completely bust off. Oh, it goes the other way. Goes that way, but you can see the plastic's getting brittle. On the other one, it split along here, so I just re-glued that with some super glue and it quietened it down. So this one, I'm just going to try super gluing the magnet back in. Super glue activated to make it go off quicker. That's in. Should go off fairly quick. It's going to be the fun bit, trying to get that back on there. These screws out of the way. turn it inside out? Don't know if we can. I think it's back on. Is this one alright? Yeah. Diaphragm back on, screws back in this. Should have shown you the noise it was making before, but you'd know the noise if you're watching this video. Alright, that goes down in there, rubber bit in the end. Six screws in the bottom. Sorry about that, phone went dead, but it's just reversing the steps. When you put this back together, one bit goes inside the other, and it's easier if you start at the end where the wire is and then get it back together. Put the screws back in, see if we've done it. Excuse me. There we go. Just there. Silent again. Simple as that.